Asha.
The Tortoise and the Princess. Once upon a time, in Ibom Kingdom, King Obong ruled over the humans and animals. King Obong had a very beautiful daughter by the name of Imabong. Imabong's beauty attracted the attention of everyone wherever she went. Regularly, gentlemen from Ibom Kingdom visited King Obong with requests to marry Imabong. King Obong decided to discuss their request with Imabong. Imabong, my angel, which of these fine gentlemen would you prefer to marry?
Oh, Father, the one who can endure unpleasant situations is the one who deserves my hand in marriage,
She responded. Unpleasant situations? Okay, Imabong, I have heard you. I have an idea. The next day, King Obong sent word to all those interested in marrying Imabong. He asked that they turn up for a contest where her husband would be chosen. On the day of the contest, King Obong asked his cooks to prepare a pot of pepper soup with 10 baskets of alligator pepper. When the men were gathered, King Obong announced the rules of the contest, saying, "Gentlemen, whoever can finish a bowl of my pepper soup without easing in discomfort will win Imabong's hand in marriage." The lion, elephant, and other men all tried without success. All the while, Ikut, the tortoise, stood watching and thinking. Next, Ikut suggested he had an announcement. "I have a song to teach you." They all turned their attention towards Ikut. "Here it goes. Whenever I say the lines before the chorus, you respond saying shh." Then Ikut began with the first line again. "My pretty Imabong." Everyone answered shh, while he tasted the soup and also joined in the chorus. My pretty Imabong, but I want to marry you, so I won't say, my pretty Imabong, sweet pepper soup is peppery, but I want to marry you, so I won't say. Ikut went on and on, singing, sipping the pepper soup, and easing in discomfort. The others did not notice this because they were happily reciting the chorus. King Obong, Imabong, and the others were carried away by the song. They loved it so much they didn't notice Ikut's discomfort as he sipped his pepper soup. This way, Ikut finished the bowl of pepper soup. King Obong and Imabong were both satisfied. "I now join you as husband and wife." And they both lived happily ever after.